It was brilliant. It was brilliant.
So yeah, exactly. Our RV has what's called a BIRD, a bidirectional relay delay system, came that way from the factory. And that system is designed to ensure that underway, under the alternator power, house batteries get recharged if the chassis batteries have been fully charged, and vice versa on shore in order to maintain the chassis batteries. So like you mentioned, when you have a difference in chemistry between your house batteries and your chassis batteries, you now need two different charge profiles. So that was something that needed to be addressed, and to make sure that both the house battery was being properly charged and protected, and that the chassis batteries were being properly charged and protected. So the solution that was put in place was really a brilliant one, which was
simple and brilliant.
Yeah, so we now have a dedicated TrueCharge Xantrex charger that is going to be charging our chassis batteries using an AGM charge profile separately from the house battery, which will have its charging done by our Freedom inverter charger. So both batteries will see the optimal charge cycle. Both batteries will be being properly maintained. But the slickest part was engineering the components to basically reutilize elements of our bidirectional relay delay to ensure that the house battery could also be charged while we're underway by the alternator safely. So
that's one of the big things about lithium that is, again, not well understood or well known, is that the charge profile of lithium is so different than flooded lead acid or AGM. We're all used to, as RVers, a 3-stage charge on a motorhome, which is bulk charge, does the initial big charging, and when the voltage reaches a certain level, it goes into absorb charge, which is a center kind
the
of
majority of your power is getting replaced.
That's right, and you've got that charge going in until the batteries show full voltage, and then you do the float charge. And since lithiums don't work that way, they don't come up in voltage, but they suddenly we're done. They don't need an absorb charge, right. And a typical 3-stage charger that isn't specifically designed and programmed to manage lithium isn't the correct way to manage lithiums, and to risk damaging an expensive component with the incorrect charge profile. And now by the same token, that 2-stage charging, which goes right from bulk into float on the lithiums, is not optimal for flooded lead acid or AGM. So as John mentioned, having a dedicated charger that's going to keep our chassis batteries charged was a brilliant solution that Xantrex engineers came up with.